Chaser gang. Boom. Hey man, say man, you already know who it is. Your girl Dream Chasing Geo. And like I said, I will be back with another banger. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, today man, I'm about to do a cut. I told you I gotta go ahead and get the cut in with the calibers, man. As you can see right now, got them bad boys charging, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta get into it, man. I gotta get into it. I ain't cut with them yet, so I definitely need to see how they cut for myself. I seen the work they do, but like I said, I need to put them bad boys to use. So in this video game, that's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to put them things to use, man. I got a client on the way. We about to get it in. So with that being said, make sure y'all stay tuned. And if you seeing this right now, that means you got that notification bell on. You know what I'm talking about? Salute to you. But yeah, with that being said, let's get right into this video. Hey man, what's going on? As you can see, I got my boy ZTRD in the chair, man. About to give him this fresh low taper. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and use the calibers for this cut just to get a feel of them. See if I'm really feeling them or if I'm just feeling how they look. But I got a good feeling. I'm feeling them. But yeah, right now, combing the hair out with the grain. Make the hair stand up so we can cut that bulk off of there. My boy be woofing, man. My boy be woofing. He been coming to me for a minute. You know what I'm saying? True client. You know what I'm saying? Ever since I've been in the game. But we're going to go ahead, throw the one guard on the calibers right now, as you can see. And I'm going to cut with the grain to reduce some of that bulk off of the scalp. I ain't gonna lie, I had to go ahead and close the lever right there for the simple fact my boy hair thick and that one open was not, it wasn't doing nothing for me. Wasn't nothing coming off. So I closed the lever, just going with the grain. Make sure you comb as you cut. You don't just want to cut. Make sure you comb over it. I'm going to go all the way around the head with it. You know what I'm saying? Once I cut that bulk off, you're going to see how them waves pop. But when I finish the cut, them things going to pop even more, man. We probably talking about some car stuff right now, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? We both into cars. My boy got the fastest Camry in Houston. So, hey. And he ain't scared. He ain't scared of no smoke. Y'all don't want to see him. Woo, look at them waves, boy. Ooh, wee. I'm saying I'm going to dust my boy off, man. You know what I'm saying? Get him right. We ain't even hit him with the taper and them waves is flicking. Golly. All right, as you can see, I'm done dusting my boy off. I'm going to go with the comb, and I'm going to start on that neck taper. So I got my Babyliss trimmers right now. And they are zero gapped. I went ahead and zero gapped them things, man. They was cutting fresh out the box, but it wasn't hitting hard enough for me. So I went ahead and zero gapped them things. Get that extra hair off the bottom of the lining. I do apologize for how it look right now. I couldn't get my camera how I needed to be, but now I know how to set it up. So my next cut, you know what I'm saying, my next video gonna be way better. But it ain't even about that. It ain't even about that. That ain't what we talking about right now. You know what I'm saying, got the calibers. I got the lever all the way open, and I'm just gonna go up about an inch in the back of the neck. You know what I'm saying, as you can see, going up about an inch. We are about to do this good old neck taper on my boy. Just take your time. Make sure you go over it more than once. Make sure that it is legit. That first guideline, though, is everything. If that line crooked, you out of there. For real. You got to make sure your guidelines are straight before you do any process. I'm going to speed it up right here. I'm getting that line out, so I close the lever halfway, as you can see. Then I go ahead and go over and over the guideline, man. Then I'm going to close that lever all the way to get that bottom line out before we go in with the one guard. You know what I'm saying? So you got to go over it multiple times, though. You definitely got to go over multiple times. That's the only way you're going to get that line out. You can't just go over it once and think you're going to be able to get the line out. No, sir. Ain't happening. Not today. As you can see, man, my boy hair be going all different which ways, man, for real. Left, right, side to side. But I grabbed that one guard, got my lever open. And I'm going to go ahead and make another guideline As you can see, I'm going up against the grain. When you perform a taper, you go against the grain. You're not going with the grain. It's not going to be a taper. It's no way possible. I mean, it might be. Somebody might come up with a technique. But right now, I'm going up against the grain. I'm saying as I go up with the guideline, I do come down. I'm going to speed up this process. You know what I'm saying? I am going to go ahead and close my lever, as you can see, and I'm going to knock that buck down on top of that guideline. As you see, I still see some buck up there. Remember, I did go with the grain to cut his hair down. I'm going to grab my 1.5 guard now, as you just saw, man. And I'm going to go ahead and go against the grain to create another guideline. It's not going to be too big of a guideline because we did cut the buck down with the one close. I hope you following me. I hope y'all following me. But, man, these neck tapers be coming out so fresh and clean, man. You going to see. You are going to see. I'm going to go ahead, go over the guideline a couple times before I decide to close my lever up. As you can see, closing the lever, and I'm going to go ahead and go against it again. Man, shit clean. But yeah, man, back on. Got the half guard on there. I got my lever all the way open. We're going to get that guideline out that we created with the one guard. So I'm just taking my time, man. Taking my time, utilizing my corners. I close it halfway, go up a little more. Always better to start with the lever open. It's easier to start with it open and take it off because you can remove hair. You can't put the hair back. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to say again, you can remove the hair, but you can't put the hair back unless you got some glue or something. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and clean this taper up. As you can see, that taper looking pressure. We're going to get to the side here. So I'm going to go in with my calibers again. Like I said, man, look, this is the first time recording in the garage. So I apologize for my arm being in the way. It's a lot going on. My arm all in the way. But as you can see, I'm getting to this low taper. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting into it. And we talking about the calibers in this video. So I ain't gonna lie, I do recommend the calibers, man. Them things is, hey, they the truth. They are the truth, especially for fading though. They are the truth. I'm just using all my different guards, you know what I'm saying, making sure this low taper pop how I want it to pop and how it needs to pop, you know what I'm saying? As you see, you probably looking like, why I keep turning around? Guys, my mirror is right there. My mirror is right there. If you do not have a mirror and you cutting hair, you need that mirror. It's like your third eye. So you definitely need a mirror. So that's what I keep looking at my mirror. Saying I'm gonna go ahead with some alcohol, clean my boy forehead off before I hit him with that. Then I hit my boy with that got to be holding. Okay, then I go ahead and on the lineup, just we gonna get it right. We need this hair to lay down so my boy can look fresh. That's exactly what we're doing. Then I go ahead, I grab my brush, lay the hair down even more while the spray is on there, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna hit him with that neck lineup, man. As you can see, I'm using them good old Andis GTX. Those fresh out the box. They are not zero gap at all. And them things is hitting. For real. I am glad I invested in those trimmers. For real. If you don't have none, hey, get you some. For real. I'm telling you. Get you some Andis GTX trimmers, man. Get them. Get them. Because them things hitting and they fresh out the box hitting. Some people zero gap them that I know, but I haven't had to zero gap mine. They hitting, like I said, fresh out the box. We're going to go around the ear. As I go around the ear, I am using the corners. Make sure you use the corners because you do not want to go up into the haircut if you use the whole blade. Then I turn my boy around and I'm going to hit him. Boom. Hit him. Pull it down. Hit him. Pull it down, I'm saying. As you can see, I got the babless though. I'm using the babless at first for the front lineup because I ain't even gonna tell y'all the sauce. You're gonna watch the sauce, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna watch the sauce. My boy about to get right. My boy is about to be fresh. Mr. Ooh-wee, man. If y'all know my boy Zay, that's all he say, man. That's Mr. Ooey at his finest, man. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to go ahead and go around the arch. I'm gonna hit my boy with that C cup though, that little baby C cup, that Chicago C cup. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. You always want to make sure you go over it multiple times just to make sure it hit right. You always want it to hit right. So go over it multiple times, more than once. Once again, my arm is in the way. I do apologize, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. You know what I'm saying? While I'm lining him up, I want to appreciate y'all for your support and just tuning in to my videos. I know y'all probably like, where is the car videos? They coming. But Houston car scene been so, you know what I'm saying, crazy. We ain't even be able to really have a meet. We ain't been able to have a meet. But till then, till the car video pop back out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all these barber videos. Cause I don't lie, I love being a barber. I love being a barber. It just feels so good. Making somebody else happy, making them feel good. As you see, I got my pencil and I'm gonna go in with the lineup. I always line up first before I use my pencil. I want to make sure my lineup is fresh and clean. Look at that. Ooh wee. I know some people don't brush it in. I usually brush it in. It's really the customer's request, but I usually brush it in. And look at them waves though. Dang, my boy looking good. I brush it in before I go in, and as you see, I grab my Andis GTX now, and that's when I go ahead and use them for my lineup. I hit the beard. I had to give my boy a little beard right. He trying to grow it full. I don't know if he trying to do the James Harden or what, but we never knock it down. We never knock it down. See my boy, he almost had half his mustache gone. Seeing that? Turn his head. Usually my boy be sleep. He stayed woke this time. He stayed woke. I'm proud of him. My boy be knocked out. As you can see, I got my little nephew in the background. He watching something. I don't even know. It's my dog though. He be chilling. I just gave him a fresh cut yesterday. As you see, I went ahead, grabbed the topic, and I'm gonna hit my boy with that topic. I got my Tune 45 card. Hey, if y'all don't have one of them clutch cards, get one, man. They come in handy. It do come in handy. As you can see, my boy is flicking. If y'all don't know what flicking mean, that mean them waves is on fleek, man. But I'm gonna go with the lineup, hit them with this topic. You don't want to put too much. You don't want to put too little. You just want to put just the right amount just to make the edge up pop. I got the razor now, and I'm go ahead and do the razor edge up since I added the enhancement to it. As you see, make sure you are pulling. Your other hand is behind the razor. You never want your hand in front of it. You never want your hand in front of it. My boy Zay ain't put this phone down. I think he was watching a YouTube video or something on Instagram. He was trying to show me, but you know, it's my boy. Man, look at that lineup though. That thing fresh. That thing fresh. Ooh. Hey man, if you ain't got a dream cut, you sleep. If you ain't got a dream cut, you sleep for real, man. I'm telling you, I'm getting my people right. I'm getting my people right, man. Look, you see how Zay trusts me? He chilling on his phone, and I got a whole razor in my hand. You know what I'm saying? You gotta trust the dream, man. You gotta trust the dream. I'm telling y'all better tap in the dream, because if you're not in Houston, when you come to Houston, you try and get fresh, hit me up. Hit me up. It's Dream Chasing G on Instagram. I ain't hard to find at all. I am not hard to find. I'm saying, got my boy in the clutch. He talking to me. My nephew crazy. My nephew is funny. As y'all can see though, that cut crazy. That cut came out fire, man. Zay still on his phone. He don't even know. I don't even think he knew I was recording. I don't know. Chill. We're gonna go ahead and dust my boy off. Got my boy all the way right. Hey, man, make sure y'all grab y'all some calibers. Make sure y'all grab them. It is a must. Them things is the truth. As you can see, look at the results of using them. Those are the only clippers I used in this whole video, man. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. But get them calibers. You see the cut, man. Your girl is out. Peace, man. Till
I'm
next.
chasing dreams. I'm 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 chasing dreams.